Now to a story making big news this week. Time's running out for the millions of Americans who rely on the Affordable Care Act for their health care, with those enhanced subsidies expect to expire at the end of this year.
Yeah, now President Donald Trump is saying extending those subsidies may be necessary. Let's send things over to our own Jamie Warren to explain what that all means for Arizona families. Jamie.
Hey, good morning, guys. So if this is not extended, what that means is millions of Americans, hundreds of thousands here in the state of Arizona, could see their premiums skyrocket. So here's what President Trump had to say about the possibility, I should say, of an extension.
Somebody said, I want to extend it for 2 years. I don't want to extend it for 2 years. I'd rather not extend them at all. It may be some kind of an extension may be necessary to get something else done.
The president making these comments after a fight over those health care tax credits resulted in the longest government shutdown in U.S. history. A deal to end the shutdown in the Senate included Majority Leader John Thune promising to allow a vote on a bill of Democrats' choosing related to the Affordable Care Act in December. Now, we know that the Senate is expected to take a vote on extending these credits in the first 2 weeks of December, but there is no guarantee in the House right now. So the question this morning is this something Republicans and Democrats could get behind? Data from the nonpartisan healthcare research organization KFF says in 2019, about 160,000 people right here in the state of Arizona relied on coverage from the ACA. But just this year, that number jumped to 423,000. And they also say that they do expect those premiums to double for those who rely on this health care coverage. Nick, I know that you have covered this extensively over the past couple of months. You've been speaking with those here in our state, many of them now scrambling, wondering what they're going to do next, how they're going to be able to pay their bills.
Yeah, and Jamie, that's exactly it. KFF, when I spoke to them, says that they're worried a lot of Americans may just decide to drop their coverage altogether, thinking that they're not going to be able to afford those increased premiums, which we know could then add to costs for all of us, kind of bigger picture, right? So a lot of things still need to be sorted out with this. Jamie Warren reporting live for us. Thanks for digging deeper.